events and projects together. How do you decide? Is there like an IC committee between the two of you, or is someone taking the lead? How does that work?
So I think broadly speaking, I mean, I spoke a bit before about this time we took to absorb what was going on in the world and what felt right for Patrice and for us as a team to pursue. I think we established that for just projects in general, there are three pillars that are really interesting to us. Obviously, there's the sport thing. Having been a professional player, the sports ecosystem is always going to be a part of Patrice's footprint. There's the social impact work that we spoke about, which is incredibly important to you. And then there's you as an entertainer, content creator, through social media, through entertainment TV, making people laugh, making people think, telling stories. Tends to be the case that projects we do have to sit across at least two of those pillars. So things that work for us are something that fall in that Venn diagram. It's all about saying no to things. So the businesses that we've co-founded and invested in, things like Golfer, which is a sports tech business, a football recruiting business that we're working on setting up at the moment, and so on, satisfy usually a couple of those pillars at the least. I think in terms of our investing practice, we looking at that spread of subject areas where Patrice can add material expertise, audience, brand value, network, access to founders so that we can really be value additive to the people that we work with. And I think in terms of the way that we get to the best stuff, like obviously we're lucky to have a lot of opportunities come our way, but we're also, the most important thing is to surround yourself by excellent investors. And in case anyone doesn't realize, Casper, along with Sasha, who we mentioned before, run a fund called Creative Ventures, which is an extraordinary new project investing in incredible technology businesses. And we're really lucky to invest in deals alongside Casper and Sasha. So yeah, put great people who are smarter than you around you, and that's a really good start.
Thanks. I'll pay you for that.
Yeah, exactly. It's never nice that way with me. So.